This is Dyson OnTrac. I want us to charge this headphone up. This is adapter. So connect this cable, one end to this port, then this end to the headphones, then plug it on to the socket. So this is how to charge this up, and the light is highlighting. You can see what the inside looks like. Dyson headphones OnTrac. Now I want us to connect this. To switch it on, press this button and the light is on, highlighting green light. Go to your Play Store on your mobile phone, install Dyson app, install it. With this app you're able to control a lot of features and also update your headphones. Dyson written on both sides. This is powerful and solid headphones. Then open up the app. Once install it, open it up, My Dyson. It will show you login or new owner. Select new owner, then select, scroll down, then select your region, then select submit, then select continue. I agree to terms and conditions, select continue. You put your details, continue. So once you put your email address, then they will send you a code. Then you need to confirm this. We'll show you don't miss out, enable notification, but it's not compulsory, so I'm going to say not right now. Then you select continue. Unlock My Dyson app and features. Add your machine to Dyson app. Select add machine. Nearby device permissions. Select OK. So you need Bluetooth. Select OK. Allow My Dyson to find and connect and determine the relative position of nearby device. Select allow. Please enable Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on. My Dyson is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow. Bluetooth is turning on. Bluetooth is enabled. Now location permission. Select next. Select while using this app. Now it picked up OnTrac. Then you select on it. Pair your device. Confirm the next pop-up to prepare your headphone for pairing. So select next. Allow My Dyson to access your headphone. So it will show your headphone. Select allow. Hold your device close to the headphone. Press the power button on left of your ear cap. So you go to the left of the ear cap and press the power button. One moment. We are adding your headphones to My Dyson. Headphone added. Then you select continue. Connect audio. Allow your headphone to pair when prompted. You select next. Connecting audio. Audio connected. Then select continue. Then it will ask you to confirm purchase date and etc. Then you confirm. Then it also show you can adjust your hairband. Switch noise cancelling modes. You just need to tap to switch the noise cancelling mode. Firmly double tap on either side of cups to switch between isolation and transparency modes, adjusting the background noise you hear. Adjust your headband. Grip the headband and slide into place for a comfortable fit on your head and around the neck. Use right ear cup joystick to control audio. Press and hold to activate the voice assistant. So this button. Customize your look. Swap ear cushions or outer caps to suit your style. So you can swap this ear cushion or outer caps to suit your style. Just follow the instruction in the product setting. Auto off. Extend battery life. This is the app here. Software update available. Headphone not worn. And So, and also it will show you the battery level. So I got the headphone, so it will show you the headphone is not on. Once you wear the headphone, it will show you, it will bring out noise control and equalizer. So once you put the headphone on, it will bring out the noise control, equalizer, sound exposure. Will show you the battery level and overview. This is what you have here OnTrac. So this is the app here, and the equalizer, you can select equalizer bass boost, equalizer neutral, and this is equalizer enhanced, noise control. This is full transparency, noise control off, full isolation. So this is how to set this up. We're going to test the audio. Once you remove the headphone from your ear, noise control will not be active until you put it on. Likewise, equalizer. So this is how to set this up. This is Dyson OnTrac. So we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. This headphone out from your ear, the audio will stop. If you put it back on, it will start. Thank you very much, guys. This is how to set this headphone up, and very much happy with this. This headphone deserves your attention, of high quality. If you put it on, if you bring it out, the audio will stop. If you put it back on, the audio will start. And also, if you bring it out, the noise control and the equalizer will go off. It will be blank. You won't see anything for you to control it. So this is Dyson app, and you can select all the features. You can control, you can also update this headphone. And Dyson OnTrac. If you bring these headphones out from your ear, the audio will stop, and also noise control and equalizer will be blank from the app. Of high quality, best in class noise cancelling headphones. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.